Hello everybody! Today what are we going to do, Marcelo?
This.
Oh, we have colors, we have fish, we have numbers. Oh
Yeah.
my god, we have some jumping balls.
This is only the accent.
Yes, come sit here so your friends can see what are we going to do. Welcome to Marcelo's.
We are wow.
This channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you to improve your skills in an easy and fun way. Marcelo, say hello, hello, hello,
Hello.
Today we're going to fix some numbers. Marcelo have to fix some numbers. See? 1, 2, 5. What number is this? Ask your friends, what number is this? We can hear you. Number 5. Very good. Wonderful. So, let's see. Marcelo have to pick one number. Well, fish in one number with this. You know what is the name of this? What is the name of this? Yes, it's a net. So, Marcelo is going to start. Let's see. One number. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Not the balls, just the numbers. Pick one. Whoa, look. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's number 5. And what color? I think it's color.
Blue.
Do you think it's color blue? Yes, it's color blue. So Marcelo, we need 5 fish. We need 5 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Put it here, next to number 5. 1. Another one. 2. Put it there. 2. 3. More. No, we need 5. We need 5. 3. 4. And that one, the big one. 5. That's it. No more. Look, you're gonna count with me. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good.
Okay.
Now, Marcela's gonna pick another number. Put it back here. Bye-bye. Number 5. Oh. No, just one. Let's see. What number is this? Show it to your friends. That's number? What number is that? Marcelo, that's number 4. Yes, that's number 4. Let's count, Marcelo, with your friends. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. So, you have to put number 4 here, and you have to pick 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. That's it. Look, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful job. Now, another number, Marcelo. Another number. Whoa, that's number. What number do you think is that? Number 1. Number 2. Very good. Good. So we need 2 fish. We need 2 fish, Marcelo. Just 2. 1 and 2. Very good. That's it. Just 2. Look. 1 and 2. Let's ask your friend. What color is this? What color? Marcelo, this color is orange. Yes, this color orange. And what about this one? What color is this? Blue. Marcelo says blue. Marcelo is right. Yes, it's right. So we have 1 and 2 fish. Very good. Marcelo, sit here. Come, sit here. Another number. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Pick another one. Here we go with the net. We have more or no? Oh. Uh-oh. It's coming a number. Marcelo is fishing. Number. Oh, without balls. Very good. Let's ask your friend. What number is this?
What is
2. No, it's not number 2. 1. No, it's not number 1. The other one. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Wonderful job. So, we need 3 fishes. one number. Look, Marcelo, we have number 2, very good. Number 5, very good. Number 4, very good. And number 3, very good. So, what number is missing? Well, let's see. Marcelo. Have the fifth number is 1. Let's see. Uh-oh, isn't the number 1 there? What number is that, Marcelo? Yes, put it here, number 1. Yes, number 1. It's okay. Put in here, number 1. So I'm gonna take those 4 and really just one fish. Oh, Marcelo picked just one. Look. And what color is this fish? What color? Red? No, it's not red. Yes, blue. Very good. We have 1. Good job. Bye. And you have